Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews, as well as Quirk Automotive. Of course, as soon as I start the video, the wind starts going. This is the 2020 Ram 1500 Ecodiesel. This specific one is the Bighorn trim. And it's really nice. Total sticker price of $58,990. Beautiful backseat area. I love this cloth. It's a very heavy duty cloth. It almost feels like denim. It's really cool. Nice little storage cubby here, as well as lockdown areas. But yeah, thing's beautiful. And it actually has a lot of torque, a lot more torque than I thought it would. Get in. As with the Rebel and the 3500, you have your conversions here, as well as your little Easter egg with the previous Rams. And the 12-inch screen. I just drove the Rebel, and I pulled the stock number for this one because somebody requested an Ecodiesel, and I didn't know I had the 12-inch screen, so kill two birds with one stone. I was going to take out a fully maxed out 1500, just because it had the 12-inch screen. Now I don't have to. Everything in here is super easy to use. All your controls and stuff like that, your heated seats. And you can have the screen display multiple things as well. Once I figure out how to do that. There we go. So you can have the audio down low, and then you can have the climate, your navigation, your phone, and then you can swap them around too. Pretty ingenious idea, if I say so myself. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take this thing out on the road. In response to Chevrolet's new Duramax diesel in the light-duty trucks, Ram came out with the Ecodiesel, or it might have been vice versa, in order to compete with the Ecodiesel. Chevy did the Duramax in the light-duty trucks. But it's starting to catch on with popularity, and I'm starting to see why. Just if you want extra torque and stuff like that, the range that diesels provide, and you don't want to have to get a 2500, this is your best bet. Has a ton of torque behind it. Turbochargers always tend to do that. Ooh, nice Grand Sport C7. That's what I love coming down to Mass, because you got nice cars everywhere. These seats are just the cloth seats as stated before, but they are super comfortable. I could definitely do a long haul in here and be perfectly fine. Visibility's phenomenal. What's nice is the 12-inch screen has a black background, so if the screen's off, it kind of just blends in. It's really nice. And I'm glad that when they made the bigger screen, they made it responsive. And it's almost more responsive than your normal 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen. It still is powered by Uconnect. It's a little bit of a different layout from what I'm used to and what's in my Challenger, but it's really, really nice. As I said, it's responsive, so it's easy to use. It's really, really a nice addition that was added in 2019. When you're just cruising around, really, really quiet. Can't really tell it's a diesel until you push the pedal down. Well, unless you know diesels and you know the RPMs and all that stuff, that doesn't look good. Looks like they have two S209s over there. Whoa. Just the amount of torque from this thing is crazy. I love the fact that even with these cloth seats, you get the leather-wrapped steering wheel. I'm not a big fan of the plastic wheels. It's just weird. But this is really, really nice. Before we got our 2017 Rebel, we had a 2015 Bighorn. Same color combo and everything. So it's kind of cool to see the progression and what 5 years does. It's very quiet inside, a lot of sound deadening. All your switch gear is really, really nice. Yeah, this is pretty much a mid-high range model. You have, of course, your work trucks. But this is a really, really, really nice truck. I'm a big fan of it. Even over these bumps, it rides really, really well. But yeah, this is an excellent truck. I'm a big fan of FCA, and today's just making that little bit sit a little bit better in my stomach, you know, and confirm the fact that I really am a big fan of FCA. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.